How to get curved text bar in Google Docs. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you will have to use a website. Simply search for text boy dam and open this curved text generator. Simply sign in. And after you have signed up, you will just have to enter your text and it will automatically create a curved text for you and you can simply paste it in your Google Docs. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.